you're not legally allowed to be riding here at all. You're unregistered. Unregistered, uninsured. If the coppers catch you, $2,000 in fine.
Yeah, I know.
Lost in your eyes, feeling the pressure. You and I spending the night, chasing forever. For you, oh no, I'd be your one and only. Don't let me go.
Sketchy Fletch in his element.
You know it.
Hell yeah, mate. What a day for it. Pristine. The boys. Koi!
Surely it's not a stingray, hey?
Fuck yeah, Mitty. Oh, no, it's a thing. Rally.
Oh, yes. Nice trap. Wee.
Yeah. Hold him up for the camera.
Nice little trevally. That's how you fish, hey?
That's how we fucking do it, boys.
Yeah.
Living so fuckers. I'll show you the release.
Oh yeah?
Show you the release.
Yeah, that's nice.
Bring the big mamas.
That's nice.
So kind of like that, you slow down time and everything's just fine. I was ocean swimming with just wishbone, thinking of my life, the vision drifting by, until I found a lighthouse in your heart, shining like a beacon of bright stars. When I'm scared, listen to flare and you're here in a flash. When I ask, oh dear love, where did we come from? You say the light is on. I had the will and mission, but the wrong position. I was open, praying for a sign, until I found a lighthouse in your heart, shining like a
Found it. Perfect spot right through the hub. Not good.
No, you're not legally allowed to be riding here at all. You're unregistered. Unregistered, uninsured. If the coppers catch you, $2,000 in fine.
Yeah, I know.
Set myself on fire just to keep you. And in my head was so tired. What have we become?
Boys digging a little fire pit. Mad fire pit for tonight. Hell yeah.
Progress is going alright.
Yeah, the boys. Boys, getting progress done. Now it's just about shaping. We've already dug it deep. Huh? Finished product. How good's that?
Yeah, the boys.
It's a view. Boys down there. Hell yeah. Looks cracker.
Let's go, boys.
Gonna be a good night. Gee hoo. Full fire pit. Got our exit over there. Fuck yeah, buddy. Sunset with the fire. Wait, this is gonna be the best night. Mitty! Yeah. Going shark fishing out here later. See the bait ball right there. Bait ball. Hopefully there's some bronzies around it. Yeah, maybe even a bull. Never know. It's looking like a great afternoon. Hell yeah. This is what we thrive for. This is what life's about. Fire with the boys, dug it all out. Oh, up on the dune. Hell yeah.
Oh yeah, mate.
It's crazy, bad.
What happened to your foot there, Mitch?
Oh, I fucking sorted out the firewood. And I don't know, I must have stepped on a nail or timber, but it's not going to stop me from living.
He's a woman. Softy, eh?
It's you, bro.
Any like?
I was trying to tell the people that is watching this right now how much pain I'm in, but I'm not going to let that bother me. I'm going to try and live.
Here you cat.
Yeah, good point.
Here you cat.
Good point. Nah, he's a good point. He's living.
Oh shit! Oh.
Oh. Ah, fire. Booga booga.
Spearing Motos, now fire. Beach fire's biz.
Finished the sunset. The boys down there. Woo.
Living rich.
Doesn't get better. No, it doesn't. Yeah, the boys. G up. Fuck yeah. Time to go shark fishing, boys.
Let's get a bronzy.
Let's get a bronzy, Mitty. Fresh
G'day,
whiting,
ladies and
live.
gentlemen. So right here, I'm pretty sure we got 8.0 circle hooks. We got 2 of them.
No, they're 9-0s.
9.0s.
Yeah.
Fuck. And then we got the whiting that we speared today. I simply hooked it up to catch a shark, a bronze whaler, or a big jewfish tonight, boys. Perfect conditions.
Like I showed you before, there's bait balls out here, so we're hoping that there's some bronzies chasing them. Or maybe even a couple of jellies, Mitty.
Fuck yeah, boys.
Let's see you casting.
Fuck yeah, boys. We're on.
Chee-hoo.
Got the fire going. Rabs is about to do a backflip, baby.
Chee-fucking-hoo.
Oh, bruh. I think he broke his neck. Wait, there's the boys in the background. What, bruh?
Holy.
Look, there's the...
Holy
All right,
fuck.
boys. We just had our first run. The rod absolutely buckled over.
The hooks are gone.
The hooks are gone. Took the whole fucking whiting.
Oh my.
Bro, that's crazy.
We saw the rod just go like this, fall over, and it must have taken the hooks.
Boys, you can see the nicks on the line. Look.
Oh wait, I'll try and focus it. Yeah, see the nicks there? Right there. And there. Holy.
So, boys, we had a shark line, but it took the whole bait.
We got another bait. We're going to chuck it out. Holy shit.
We're gonna get another one.
Alright.
Right, boys, we got the second bait out. As you can see, we got the leather jacket that the boys speared today. Got a double fucking 9.0 on it. And hopefully we get that shark again, eh?
Yeah, Mitty.
Fuck yeah. So that's about 30 meters out there is all you want. Just past the second wave. All we do, loosen it right off because we don't want to lose a rod. And just
Get both of us boys on it. Get it all the way down there. Wait, get my whole weight on it. Oh, there we go. Now, the only way that's moving is if a shark is onto it or a jewie.
right,
Now we'll
boys,
have to see.
round 2, and that's the last round.
Round
so hopefully we
2.
get it.
Chee-hoo!
Hopefully we get it.
Way on back. Last July in a heart attack. I need one small mystery. Holy fuck! Holy fuck! Holy shit! Get it, God! Get it!
It's gone. It's
Fuck!
gone.
Keep going.
Get it through it.
Discipline. I'll do it.
I don't know if a sparky could do it, eh?
Yeah, nice. Nah, you're doing it too hard, but too soft at the same time. Sparky! Go, Sparky! You realise a landscaper could do that?
Be my guest.
Yeah.
my
Oh, yeah. Go.
Yeah, be my guest. Be my guest. Let's see. Go, Fleddy, go. You're a hard cunt. Bro, he's doing these. Oh, you're shit! Oh, fuck.
Easy, baby!
Nah. We did half the work already, bruh.
I got through the whole fucking thing. I got through 90% of the cunt.
Fucking 20.